Hi, my name is Nicole, and today I'm going to show you how to navigate through the to-do list. So first you start off on your Google Classroom homepage, and you click on the three lines, and you go down to To-Do. Now you can have all your classes listed in different colors here. So you can see I have my science in red, and March 18th in, my science class in blue, and my March 18th class in red. Changing the colors of your different classes makes it easier in your to-do list to show which class you are looking at. And you can do this by to your home page, and using your select themes will change the colors of your different pages. So in this case, we're going to go back to our lines and go back to our to-do list. And in this case, we're going to look at what can your students do with Google Classroom. And we're going to see that nobody has done this assignment yet. But if they had, you can look at the done ones and you can add your grade here. You can change your points also on the assignment here. And then click return after you grade it. You can also email your selected. I could send Brad an email by clicking the envelope button. So I'm going to go back to the to-do list. And then after I reviewed this, I can come over here and mark it as reviewed. And I don't want to do that right now because they're not finished. But I could come down here and I'll just mark this one as reviewed. And you can see that it has left our viewed, and it's now marked reviewed. We can check to see what we have reviewed by clicking over here on the reviewed page, and you can see what you have reviewed. You can also make it individual by, well, let's go back to our to review because there's more of those. You can have all your classes in one list. You can also just look at just science class, or you can look at only your March 18th class. Or you can look at all of your classes. Thank you.